In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the Dashcam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safe. Let's go! So, these speed racers thought it would be a very good idea to speed and swerve in between these trucks. So, these young drivers had a Corvette, FYI, it's a very powerful car, and they lost control of it.
Oh! Oh!
The driver in front of him decided maybe it was a good idea to cut him off and rear-end the other driver in front. This fellow truck-driving gentleman decided that he wanted to be a menace to society and did this. He honestly had no good reason behind this. So, this driver thought he had the right of way, but he might be clearly wrong because the light was red, and the sign also says no turn on red.
What the fuck are you doing?
He almost caused an accident just because he didn't take an extra 2 seconds to look.
Holy shit! Oh my fucking god. You serious? Fucking idiot.
Who do you think is at fault in this accident? Comment below with your thoughts. So, this driver almost caused an accident because they didn't look at their blind spot. Always check your blind spot, drivers.
Minecraft 9 Plus, you'll score 4 tickets to brand new Minecraft game.
All right, coming up on this morning news at 7:30. The world mourning the death of a pope.
I'm fucking asleep.
Now let's go to the Parker.
This clip shows how a driver caused a triple accident.
Video is now locked.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. God.
So, this rich guy doesn't really care about the safety of these kids. Being rich doesn't put you above the law.
Hey!
This driver almost caused 2 side swipes. Again, just for being reckless for absolutely no reason. This car driver just witnessed somebody almost crashing into him for driving on the wrong side of the road.
Jesus Christ.
The bus driver almost caused a massive crash while looking way too confused on the road. The question we all probably have is, why? What was the reason? Because that was 6 drivers running a red light. As we can all see from this crazy clip, the traffic is so bad that drivers created their own third lane. please tell me, why is it a good idea to risk your life just to save a couple of minutes? There's honestly no need. The driver tried to brake check him but failed miserably. Please, please, please make sure you always stay vigilant when driving and teach friends and family to do the same. That would be the end of this video.